discussion today brings together distinguished experts who will share their invaluable insights and experiences, providing us with the roadmap for the future. We are honored to have an exceptional group of panelists joining us today. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Farokh Saghir. He serves as the chairman for ATC and PAPG and is currently the executive director of exploration at OGDCL. A former Shell executive, he has held leadership roles in major offshore projects across North America, West Africa, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia. Please give them a round of applause. I'm honored to introduce Mr. Abdur Rauf, an accomplished explorationist with over 27 years of experience in the upstream oil and gas industry. He has proven track record of leading successful exploration projects worldwide, working with some of the prestigious international energy companies like Schlumberger, ADNOC, ExxonMobil, UEPL. He currently holds the position of Director Exploration at Mari Energy Limited. His innovative approach to integrating new technologies with traditional exploration methods has led to groundbreaking discoveries like Gazij and Sheva, adding significant resource potential. Please welcome Mr. Abdur Rauf with a round of applause. You're requested to please join me in welcoming Mr. Arshad Hussain Palekar, General Manager of Exploration and Core Business Development at Pakistan Petroleum Limited. With over 30 years of experience in the E&P sector, Mr. Palekar has played a key role in shaping PPL's exploration strategy and overseeing key business developments both domestically and internationally. Please welcome Mr. Palekar with a round of applause. I'm honored to introduce Mr. Moin Raza Khan. He has 40 years of career in oil and gas exploration and a US master's degree, served as the MD and CEO of PPL from 2019 to 2022. In his 14 years of corporate management, he significantly contributed to Pakistan's E&P sector, discovering 6.1 trillion cubic feet of gas, creating jobs and opportunities. He has published over 40 technical papers and co-authored a book on Pakistan's petroleum geology. Please welcome Mr. Moin Raza with a round of applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Moin, for joining us. I will now take a moment to introduce Dr. Nadeem Ahmed, who is a head of explorationist at United Energy Pakistan. Dr. Nadeem has spent over 25 years in the oil and gas upstream sector in successfully more responsible roles. He has worked with various organizations including BP and Schlumberger. His areas of specialization are seismic stratigraphy, risk and resource assessment, exploration strategy, and portfolio building and its execution through play-based exploration. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Nadeem with a round of applause. Thank you for joining us. I'm privileged to introduce Mr. Irfan Hamid, who is currently working as the Manager Reservoir Management at OGDCL. He has 27 years of global upstream sector experience, including 20 years in multinational organizations such as Schlumberger, ADNOC, Qatar Petroleum, Dragon Oil, and OMV International. He has served in Pakistan, Middle East, North Africa, Central Asia, and Eastern and Central Europe. He has delivered successful projects in offshore and onshore in various geological environments. Please welcome Mr. Irfan Hamid. Thank you for joining us, sir. I'm grateful to all of the panelists for joining us today. And to lead this engaging discussion, we are privileged to have esteemed moderators, including Dr. Mohammad Irfan Khan, who has joined DNM in August 2024. Bringing a strong professional background in exploration and prospect generation. He carries more than 20 years of working experience in leading E&P companies, including MOL Pakistan, BV, Talo Development Pakistan, Premier and Shell Pakistan, and Government Holdings Pakistan Private Limited. I would request Dr. Irfan to please join us. Assisting Dr. Irfan in this session will be Mr. Sarmad Hussain. He's a senior geophysicist working with PEL for the last 17 years, whose insights and industry knowledge will add value and depth to the conversation. Please welcome Mr. Sarmad Hussain.
Thank you, Rimji.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please join me in welcoming the moderators and esteemed panelists for this thought-provoking discussion. Over to you, Dr. Khan and Mr. Hussain.